Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to create a low poly sword model and animate it. First of all, select the default cube, go to edit mode, then switch to face selection mode, select the upper face and grab it up with Z direction. Now press A and select everything and scale it along Y direction like that. Now press Ctrl R and create a loop cut and place it here. Now go to face selection mode, select this face. Now press S, then Y and then 0 to create a shape like that. Now select these two upper faces, press F and fill them. Now go to minus Y angle, press E and extrude it along Z direction like that. Now press S and then 0 to create a shape like that. Now go to front view by pressing 1 on the number pad. Enable the toggle X-ray mode. Then go to vertex selection mode. Select this vertex and place it like that. And successfully we have created the peak of our sword. Now disable the toggle X-ray mode. Go back to object mode. Now press Shift A and add a cylinder. Press S and scale it up. Now again press S and scale it along Z direction like that. And place it like that. And for again scale it down like that. I think this would be perfect. Now press Shift D and duplicate the cylinder and grab it down. Now scale it down and then scale it along Z direction like that. Now press G and Z and grab it along Z direction and place it like that. And now scale it along Y direction a little bit. I think this would be enough. Now go to edit mode, then face selection mode, select this face. Now press Ctrl B and bevel it a little bit. Now go to bevel property and increase the segments to 3. Now select this cylinder, go to edit mode. Now select these faces, go to transform pivot point and select the individual origin. Now press Alt E and extrude faces along normals and extrude these faces outside. Now press S and then 0 to create a shape like that. Go back to object mode and successfully we have created a low poly sword model. Now let's add some material. First of all, go to material preview, then go to material property, select the blade part, choose the white color, increase the metallic property and decrease the roughness like that. Now select this middle part, add a new material, press on the new button and choose red color. Increase the metallic properties a little bit and I think this is good enough. Now select this part, right click and shade smooth. Now add a new material, press on the new button. In the base color, select dark color and successfully we have created some material. Now select all the parts, press Ctrl J and join them to make them one object. Now let's create a simple animation for our sword. Now grab this window like that, press N to bring the property panel, select our sword object. On the first frame, press K and add a rotation keyframe and now you can see the rotation part is highlighted. Now jump to the 10th frame and set the Y rotation to 90 and press enter. Now press K and add a rotation keyframe. Now jump to the 20 keyframe, set the Y rotation to 0, press K and add a rotation keyframe. Now set the animation to 20 keyframes, press enter. Now press space button and our animation is ready. And here it is our low poly sword and its animation. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and tell us your reaction in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.